Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arctic Frost mutation in Fish It game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Arctic Frost mutation is one of the new mutations from the Christmas update, and sometimes you will need to get the fish with Arctic Frost mutation to complete the Christmas event daily quest. And to get the Arctic Frost mutation, I recommend you to fish when the frozen mutations is coming. It will increase the possibility to get the Arctic Frost mutation. And you can also use the potion, the mutation potion, to increase the chance to get the Arctic Frost mutation. You can also use the enchant stone to enchant your rod to get to have more possibility to get mutation. Okay, and I recommend you to fish on this island, the Christmas island. It will increase your chance to get the Arctic Frost mutation. And wait, let me show you the fish with the Arctic Frost mutation, guys. I'm going to go to the the fish with mutation, and as you can see, this is the fish with Arctic Frost. And also this one. So guys, you can fish on the cold place like the Christmas Island or the Lost Isle, because I got my Arctic Frost mutation on the Christmas Island and also from the Lost Isle. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Arctic mutation in Fish 8 game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!